Another interesting thing that we use it a lot is for replacing the skies. For example, in this image, I want to replace this sky with AI. Open the Sky AI, and here for this photo, it suggests you interesting sky that you can replace. Or a sky selection, you can select all of these categories here. Sunset. Be careful about your changing skies because you have to define, analyze your photo, and you choose the best and most matching sky to your scene. I think this sky is nice just with one click and waiting to calculate. Yeah, and as you can see, automatically replace it. Okay, let's see other setting of the Sky AI, and we have masking that I explained it later. Sky orientation, horizon position, very nice. As you can see, this is our sky. And you can change the horizon space. You can mix this sky with a default sky. Nice. You can change the horizon position, the vertical position. Yeah, you can change the vertical position of sun. On horizontal position, it looks like the clouds are closing to you or making far from you. As you can see in this slider, left and right, you can change the position of your sky here, or you can flip your sky. Nice. This is a sky orientation. Most important thing is the mask refinement. This software automatically cut this sky over this part, and as you can see, we have some issues here, and replace the image. So we have to we can refinement here globally. As you can see, you can change the slider. Don't worry about that. Change the slide. For example, here you can see the better changing globally. You can, for example, as you can see, the cutting area is come from here, or you can make it better. Yeah, it gives you sharp edges. Just change the slider. We double click on this. You can change you can set the default of that. For example, for making this area better, you can change the glow cap gaps. Yeah, and as you can see, if I decrease this number, I have better quality of this. Just changing this slider and see what happened on your scene. Don't worry about the mathematical calculation behind them. Just see, fix details. I think it's better. Nice. It's nice for me, and with these sliders, I fixed that issue. Another important thing is scene relighting. As you can see, our sky is a little darker and blue, and our scene is warmth and more moth light, very shiny. Relight strengths. It means it's matching the lighting of the sky with lighting of the sky that you change with scene. How strengths that? As you can see, it make it darker. Look at it, make the scene darker to match the light of that. Or of course, relight saturation. Nice. And relight human. As you can see, our human are little warmth light. You can match it to the sky. And as you can see, it turn it to a little blue. Look at that. You can turn it on or off here. You see that. It's turn the human a little blue to match the sky light. Very nice. Another thing is reflection that I explained it in the next image. Sky adjustment. Defocus, it adds a little blurry to your sky. Defocus. It's focus on this human and make the sky a little blur. So defocus if you want. If your scene has noise and grain, you can add grain to your sky to match. This is gray, gray that you want. Or you can atmospheric haze. Yeah, you can see atmospheric haze to your scene. It's make a little fog over scene. Or you can make your photo warmth with a more warmth color or cool color. That I need that because our sky is blue and cool. Or of course you can change the overall brightness of your scene if you want. This is sky adjustment. Nice. Okay. what is masking mean here? Mask, as you can see, we have a lot of setting that we can turn it on or off here. We do a lot of changing to the color, everything here. You can see that. And I don't like this mountain turn to blue. I want to delete some effects. I want to delete all of these settings from some part of our image. So you can use masking. You can use the mask AI if you want. You can radial or I brush. I want to brush. Here you can change the size of your brush. Change the size of a brush. I want to brush these parts to delete the effect of overall effect of sky. Erase it. Softness is good. And just click and drag. Now as you can see, it deleting all of these red parts means this sky tool affect all of these red parts. I want to delete these parts. It means, okay, I don't want you affect any changes here. It means when you delete them, it turn this mountain to original image. Nice. As you can see, they are more bright than this. Okay, right? And if you want, you can paint again. Paint with this size means, okay, add red area to this part. Means please add these settings, these adjustment settings to the these parts. So red means all of these settings affected the scene. Erase, delete that effects. Nice. As you can see, the mountain turned to the original image, but other scene has these settings that's been changed in adjustment. The masking in a Sky AI means this. It's very easy. You can change the softness or strength of that. If you want 100% deleting that, for example, I want to erase this part a little, change the strength a little, and just a little deleting the Sky AI effects in adjustment setting there. As you can see, we have more little worms here, and other our image are blue. So the masking here means that it's very easy. Don't worry about that. You can paint it or this is brush. You can brush it in the scene, or you can use a linear gradient or radial. In some cases, we use that. Or I don't like the mask AI because I want to prefer some area that I want. So I explain them later in some other settings. You can see better. But masking in any tool, for example, we noiseless, we have masking also again. It means adding or deleting all of this adjustment to your image. It's deleting effect or not. The masking tools is this. Okay, this is in Sky AI. Let's come back to catalog and see the reflection. I think no, going to tutorial. This image is nice for seeing the sky. Going to the edit again, the sky, and nice sky. I think this sky is nice and waiting for effects. Yeah, as you can see, it's changed the sky nicely. I changed the color. Nice. And it's add reflection here, and you can see the reflection better. Going to the reflection, here you can change the reflection amount. As you can see, we have more reflection on the sky of the sky here, or you can make it some blur. As you can see, make it blur or sharp. This is reflections automatically create a reflection of a sky to your scene. Nice. I love this tool. It's very handy and easy. Okay, that's it. Or you can purchase some sky or add another sky. You get more sky from here, from the website. Hello, my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.